Morning students, Black 24, topic Africa. Today we are going to learn about the topic political and physical features of Africa. Students, next you learn the aim. What is the aim of in this lesson? Explain the physical and political features of Africa and explain the features of different climatic zones of Africa. Students, next you learn the keywords. Today keywords are diverse, rift, climate, vegetation, tier. Students, I ask one question. So listen. When you look at the map of Africa, what do you notice about its size and the number of countries in it? Did you know, students? Yes. From the map, we can see that Africa is an extremely large continent. It is actually the world's second largest continent and is divided into 55 countries. It is a very diverse continent with many unique features. So, today we will learn about the physical and political features of Africa. Students, next you see the map. Political and physical features of Africa. Africa can be divided into the following physical divisions: plateaus, deserts, mountains, low-lying areas and plains, Great Rift Valley, rivers and lakes. These are also the important physical features of Africa. Students, next using your atlas, find and list 10 countries in Africa, 5 large countries and 5 small countries and their capitals. The important countries are Algeria because Algeria is the largest countries in Africa, and then smallest country is group of islands called the Seychelles. Friends, I asking some of the questions. So listen. Which African river is the longest river in the world? Did you know, students? Yes, the longest river in the world is the Nile. Most of the continent is your plateau region. And the next question, which part of Africa is covered in desert? Did you know, students? Yes, most of the deserts are located on the southern and central plateaus. Next question, which part of Africa is the plateau region? Lake Victoria is the largest lake in Africa. Most of the lakes in Africa are located in the Great Rift Valley. Students, next you learn what are the important physical features in Africa. Already I told plateaus, mountains, plains, Great Rift Valley, rivers and lakes. I asking one question, student. So listen. Why is Africa known as the plateau continent? Did you know, students? Yes, Africa is also known as the plateau continent because most of the land is made of ancient hard rock. Students, next you learn explain the features of different climatic zones of Africa. Do you think the whole of Africa has only one kind of climate? Did you know, students? Yes, Africa is a large country with different physical features with the effect is climate. The next question, how many climatic zones does Africa have? Did you know, students? Yes, Africa has 7 climatic zones. What are they? These include the equatorial climate, savanna climate, monsoon climate, temperate climate, Mediterranean climate, warm temperature climate, east coast climate and hot desert climate. In its factors that influence climate in Africa: latitudinal extent, proximity to the sea, ocean currents, altitude. These also the some of the reasons of the influence in climate in Africa, because the Africa is the largest continent in the world. Thank you students. You observing the video and complete the worksheet.